Hello, my friends. Welcome back. I am so happy you are here today. Let me ask you a question. Do you feel nervous when you speak English? Maybe you understand English when you read it, but when you try to speak, the words get stuck. You feel shy. You feel afraid of making mistakes. I want you to know something important. This is normal. Every English learner feels this way. You are not alone. But today, we are going to fix this together. We are not going to study boring grammar rules. We are not going to memorize lists of words. Today, we are going to tell a story. We are going to use a special technique called shadowing. What is shadowing? It is very simple. Think of your shadow on the ground. When you move, your shadow moves. When you stop, your shadow stops. In this technique, I am the leader and your voice is the shadow. You will listen to me and then you will copy me. You will repeat exactly what I say. Here is how we will do it. There are 3 easy steps. Step 1. Just listen to the story. Try to understand the meaning. Don't worry about every single word. Just understand the feeling. Step 2. I will say a sentence and then I will pause. In that pause, you must speak. Say the sentence out loud. Don't whisper. Use your voice. Step 3. Try to copy my speed and my emotion. If I am happy, you sound happy. If I am slow, you be slow. This helps you sound like a native speaker. Are you ready? Let's take a deep breath. In and out. Relax. Let's begin our story. Once, there was a little bird. He lived in a small nest. The nest was safe and warm. One day, the little bird looked down. The world was very big. He was afraid to fly. His mother said, "Do not worry. You have strong wings. You just need to trust yourself." The little bird closed his eyes. He took a deep breath. He jumped into the air. Suddenly, he was flying. He was not afraid anymore. He was free. You did it. That was excellent. Do you see the meaning of the story? You are the little bird. English is the big sky. Sometimes it looks scary. Sometimes you want to stay in your safe nest. You want to stay quiet. But you have wings. Your wings are your practice and your consistent effort. Please do not be afraid of making mistakes. When the bird learns to fly, he might fall. But he tries again. If you make a grammar mistake, it is okay. It means you are learning. To improve, I want you to watch this video one more time. Try to speak at the exact same time as me. This is how you build confidence. If the story helped you, please hit the like button. It helps me make more lessons for you. And tell me in the comments, I am ready to fly. I believe in you. You are doing a great job. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.